Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. The basic bitches wear that shit, so
Does this have to be here? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my A-listers, thank you so much. A-listers, A-loxers, A-loxers, okay? My babies are called A-loxers. I'm Mama Locks. Alright, let's get serious, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To all of my A-loxers out there, thank you so much for the love, comments, and support. It means the world to me. You know, every little counts. We're getting there. You know, thank you to the 1K subscribers so far. You know, it's a lot going on. I'm actually thinking on doing a giveaway, so I will speak a little bit more about that at the end of the video. If you guys want to see what I got, stay tuned, stick around. You guys will definitely see the reveal. I have some big reveals over here, so please stick around. For those of you passing by for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click that ring button for you to get notifications anytime I post. And you know, welcome to my world. For those of you that don't know me, I am Kristen Moore, also known as Love Her Locks 700. You know, just keeping it real, you know, giving you guys an insight of my life, of me, you know, a day, or how I go about getting my pieces, sourcing my pieces, you know, everything luxury, beauty, and you name it. And as you guys can realize, I have in braids. Like, this is my first time actually getting my hair fully braided, so it's definitely a look that I was scared of doing, but I do like it now. So this is definitely something that you guys are going to see more of. So with no further ado, as you guys can see in the title, today we're going to discuss my summer 2021 pieces that I've achieved to get so far, and these are pieces that I'm super duper excited with. And yeah, like, these are pieces that I feel are amazing to have in my collection. It's not all bag related this time, so I just feel as though, like, as I said, I always bounce back. You know, it's not always about bag. Sometimes, you know, you need to complement your bags with some nice accessories and, you know, special pieces that you know, that are unique and that you like. So with no further ado, I will go with the Dior shades that I got myself a pair of the Dior shades in Paris airport. We traveled from London to Paris the day before we were actually traveling to the Caribbean, St. Martin. And we ended up getting this piece tax-free. It was a great experience in Paris, although we had some couple of, you know, hideous moments, but you know, we did try to make the best of it. You guys know me, always trying to be positive, Miss Thing. Okay, always trying to make a positive thing out of a negative situation, Miss Thing. So with no further ado, not holding you guys back, you know, I'm not trying to make this video a whole hour. You know, we're gonna just get right into it. This pair of shades, I saw it, and when it came out, I was like, you know what, I like it, I'm gonna go look into it. Got to the airport, asked them if they have it available. I was looking for it in Paris. Nowhere in Paris had it, because obviously I know I could apply tax-free. Went to the airport, asked the guy. He's like, oh, I sold a pair, the last pair yesterday, but let me have a look. He went in the back, and there you have it. The pair was there waiting on moi. I mean, how lucky am I? So I definitely had to have it. Credit card came out, and mama had to grab her this. So this is my Dior Club sunglasses. It's a Dior Club M1 or something, M1E or something like that. Just to be specific on the style, because there's Dior Club 1, Club 2, Club 3, and there's the hats as well. So this baddie right here, I mean, isn't she giving what is she supposed to be giving? Like, yes, honey, she is giving what she is supposed to be giving, honey. Look at her. Look at her, honey. Okay, now that needs to go on silent. My apologies, guys. So yeah, I definitely had to. So this is my first pair of shades for the year. I usually buy one pair of sunglasses if needs be, if there's something that stands out to me. I am quite happy to reuse a pair over and over because I am not much of a sunglasses person, but I do always have a cute pair with me wherever I travel or go. So I try to make the best and make use of my stuff. So unless a pair like this stands out to me, I'm definitely gonna get it. So luckily this year there was 2 pairs that stood out to me. With no further ado, I'm gonna show you guys this bad boy. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you probably would have seen the unboxing of this one. So this baddie over here, I sound like Rihanna and like I'm a Bajan. This baddie over here, alright, no Bajan talk right now. Let's cut out the Bajan accent. This baddie over here, should I do the Bajan accent? Alright, this baddie over here, I had to get she because this one right here is not coming back. This here, she's not coming back. For those of you, shout out to all my Bajan people in the house. Baby, this is not coming back at all. So with no further ado, I need to stop saying that word, right? Nah, I love saying that word. So this is called the Cyclone. It's from Men's Collection 2021. I love it. What is it not to love about it? And what caught my attention was the little diamond star in the middle. That what caught me. It kind of put me back in the days when Bulgari used to have like diamonds all over in their shades. So I was like, you know what, this is a piece that would not come back, and it's definitely a baddie. So I could see myself with a nice ponytail, like, you know, slick up, you know, cute, crisp, cute, I don't know, like dress it up, dress it down, honey. It's madame is coming, honey. It's madame to you.
Asking why madame? I said, I mean, I'm madame, and what do they expect?
I mean, honey, it's madame to you. I mean, definitely I get her, and I went back online to try and see if I can see it, and it's gone. Like, it's not even available anymore. I don't know if it's gonna come back, but special editions and stuff like this definitely gets me every time, because I know for a fact that this piece would definitely stay in my collection, and it would definitely be of good use to me. So you can never ever go wrong. So those are the 2 shades that I got thus far. I did, however, try to do an application to try and see if I could have got into HERMES. I was declined the first time, and then the second time on my way back, traveling back, I did apply again. I have a cousin that lives in Paris. I asked her to do it for me. We did, however, get an appointment, but there was nothing that I was interested in, and plus it was beginning of fashion week, so that is the worst time to go to Paris. So there was no scores in HERMES. So another story for another day, but we did have luck when we come back. Another video for that. Now, with no further ado, I'm also gonna reveal to you guys my baby that I got. Obviously I kind of looked into the market, and I kind of deeped it and looked into it. I am thinking to invest in another travel piece. So I have, as you guys may know, I have my full Louis Vuitton Eclipse luggage set, and I'm thinking to invest in the brown original Louis Vuitton canvas or the damier, but I think more the brown LV. I'm thinking to get a key paul and an horizon in that. So I started out first with the key paul. So I was thinking to be a bit different, I would also maybe try a special edition key paul for the first time. And I am thinking that I'm going to at least every year purchase a special edition key paul and keep that kind of trend going, because I think it's something nice to have unique pieces. So with no further ado, I would show you guys my piece that I got. This is my key paul 50 in the bandolier. As everyone know, all the special pieces do come only in the size 50. Something about this that caught my eye, and I just was like, yeah, I think this is something that I can start up with. So this is my first key paul special edition, and this is no other than my key paul bandolier with the neon and the matte black hardware, and it's just a baby. What is it not to like about this beauty? I love it. So I definitely could see her on my horizon in the near future. I like it, in the horizon in the near future, meaning the bag, the carry-on luggage. Yeah, and let's see. It comes with a strap that I'm looking for. Didn't seem to find her. I'm still aside.
This is your man.
Yes,
Look at the screen.
that's mine. And,
And,
I'm gonna stick beside him.
that's what you're going to...
Oh, there you are. So it came with this strap. Now, I'm not so keen on this strap. However, I can see myself putting it on just to keep the bag, you know, looking a bit stylish. But I think what I will definitely do is I will travel with my strap from my Eclipse so I can use it on there. Yeah, that's it. I can see myself I'm waiting to book a holiday to take her on a nice cute little holiday with me. So I'm definitely gonna look forward to that. I'm gonna definitely use my Eclipse strap because I think this is gonna get like maybe bubbly because it's cotton. So just to keep her neat and cute, to avoid that, I will definitely put my Eclipse strap and carry her. So I'm definitely in love with her. Cannot complain. Yeah, and pretty much that's what I got. I also got a Tweety scarf for my Kelly 28 in the Vert Marquise, which I love. I'm gonna insert a picture here or there or somewhere. And yeah, and that was pretty much it thus far. And what can I say? Just looking forward to see what else comes my way. So until my next video, I would like to wish you guys a blessed rest of the week, and may you guys have a productive and successful day tomorrow. To all of my inboxes, as I always say, see you guys next time.
Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even